Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share your screen with audio on Facebook Messenger. If you want to share your screen along with the device's audio during a messenger call, you can do it directly from the app. To get started, first you need to open the messenger app on your device and make sure you have signed into your account already. And next is you need to open the conversation with the person or group you want to call. And after that you need to start a video call in the top right. And once the call is connected, you need to tap the share button in the bottom. And you need to follow the on-screen prompts and tap start broadcast on device or start now on Android to begin sharing the screen. To share audio as well, make sure your device's media volume is turned up before you start playing the content you want to share. And if the app or content you're sharing allows system audio sharing, participants in the call will hear it along with the screen. And when you're finished, return to Messenger and tap stop sharing or stop broadcast to end screen sharing. And that is it. That is how you can share your screen with an audio on Facebook Messenger. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.